Hello, this is Uebert saying happy birthday to Apostle Johnson Suleman, to a general, a warrior, a maverick, a man who has blazed many a trail in Christendom, a man who set the goals and managed to get the goals when it comes to Christendom. You have moved mountains for many warriors to come and many people who are getting into ministry because you were ready and courageous to do what you did in Christianity. You have moved a lot of mountains and moved a lot of stones, and you serve a God that moves stones. And in this day, I just want to appreciate you and say happy birthday. Happy birthday. And this advent of your new age, may God grant you greater access, and nations come to hear wisdom from your lips. Not that they are not doing so right this minute, they are already doing so, but a lot of men, a lot of women, a lot of dignitaries, a lot of kings, a lot of queens will begin to come to the knowledge of a general in the kingdom. And I, for one, really respect you and honor you for your courageous movements and for your wisdom and for standing with me in my times of trouble, my times of pain, for standing with me and being able to be that prayer partner that I required, that prayer partner that stood with me, that person who would wake up and encourage you any day, any minute. And you have never missed a beat when it came to this issue of understanding that the gospel needs to go to the corners of the world, to all the sides of the world. You have been on the go every minute. I would call you anytime and I hear you're in this country, and we would discuss a lot to do with souls and souls and souls, numbers of souls. That's your goal, and I'm very privileged to have known you and to know you and to know your heart for Christ. Apostle, this day, enjoy your day. This is Uebert saying happy birthday again, and the world has not seen anything yet. Thank you, sir.